Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing some fishing with my rubber boat and we're gonna make some sausages in the open fire. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
I trust you.
Another beautiful day and a good opportunity to try out the rubber boat. So yesterday it was raining, so all of these little rivers and ponds are full of water.
Voidaanko me mennä sitä esteetöntä? Masamies!
Näköala paikka. Yeah, this is the view. Moro. Yep, just as I expected. A lot of firewood here. Yeah, and a nice toilet also. Lovely. So yeah, let's first get the fire started. He's a little dinosaur. But yeah, look at this fireplace. It looks pretty nice. It's got this like green roof here, which is mimicking the nature, so you can't really see that it's an actual fireplace from uphill. You have to be here down at the lake to actually see the fireplace. It's pretty cool. And there's a lot of places to sit on, and there's a good table here as well, really close to the lake. And yeah, this lake seems like a pretty good place to fish. So yeah, I'm gonna start inflating my boat and let's go fishing.
Niin, aina se hukkuu vähän päälle.
Hei! Suu kiinni! Vai pääsetkö sä siitä?
Mä en oo ihan varma vielä. Ota mun kamat pois eka täältä.
Suomalainen mies ei apua tarvitse.
Anna mulle se matka.
Tai miten se meni?
Juuri näin. Thanks.
Ei mitään. Liri, kierrä.
Moro. 0.3 left. Niin on. It's a little lizard. It's so fast.
Ei vaan niinku kävellä ja sitten taas kävellä.
Se olikohan tää se eka? En mä muista enää.